So welcome students. So in this question you're given f of x is 1 minus tan x by 4x minus pi. And you're given that this is valid when x is not equal to pi by 4. And what is the value of f of x at x is equal to pi by 4? That's not given. And you have to find what the value of f of pi by 4 should be for this function to be continuous in 0 to pi by 2. So obviously this function is continuous at all points in 0 to pi by 2 except at x is equal to pi by 4. If there is a problem, it has to come at x is equal to pi by 4. Now you have to define f of pi by 4 such that this becomes continuous. So how do we do this? So we'll find the limit of f of x at x is equal to pi by 4 and equate it with f of pi by 4. So what is the limit? X tends to pi by 4, 1 minus tan x by 4x minus pi. So if you substitute x is equal to pi by 4, you get 0 by 0.4. So that is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. So let me use L'Hospital rule, which is very straightforward. So L'Hospital rule says that if you have 0 by 0 form, you can differentiate the numerator and the denominator. So minus tan x differentiation is minus secant square x by 4x minus pi's differentiation is 4. So now we just need to put x is equal to pi by 4. Secant pi by 4 is root 2. Secant square pi by 4 is 2. So minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So option C is the right answer to this question. Thank you.